If you're thinking pink, then you're thinking of Julie Tolek of Think Pink Law. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
What is a Think Pink Law story?
Sure. It's actually pretty interesting. So I am a solo practitioner. Think Pink Law is my own firm by myself. I am also a part-time associate at another firm called Skylark Law and Mediation here in Framingham, and I'm in their office. That's where I work out of. So for Skylark Law and Mediation, I do family law litigation and family law mediation, so mostly family law with them. I do take some random district court cases too. At Think Pink Law, I do family law, a lot of firearms compliance, and a lot of estate planning, both with firearms and without firearms, regular estate planning. And it kind of fell into my lap. I had an interest in the shooting sports for several years, and the summer that I took the bar exam, I took more classes in shooting sports. And Justin Kelsey is the partner at Skylark Law and Mediation. His former partner, Matt Trask, was a firearms attorney. And when I met Justin and Matt, they said, hey, do you want to try doing some cases, some firearms-related cases with us? And I said, sure, that'd be kind of cool. And eventually, Matt Trask moved to work with Remington Arms in New York, and I inherited the firearms practice from them, so that became completely Think Pink Law. It's essentially Second Amendment compliance, so whatever side of the argument you're on. My job is to make sure things are done according to statute. So I work with individuals who are either trying to get their license or appealing their license or doing their own background checks to figure out what they have going on before they try and get their license. I work with dealers to make sure they're complying with the federal statutes and the state statutes. I work with police departments to make sure that they're understanding what's going on if they're working on an investigation with a stolen firearm, not used in a criminal crime, in a criminal capacity, but if a firearm is missing from a dealer, for example, what the implications are, if it's handed over to the state troopers to use for testing and evidence, how to get that back to the dealer. So I represent dealers and police on either side. I work with them to help the communication, facilitate the communication, explain the laws. So I'm on all sides wherever I'm needed. Yeah, in Massachusetts there are, I believe, 9 attorneys that are listed on Commonwealth Second Amendment's website. They're the nonprofit around here that does a lot of Second Amendment law, and I think there are 9 of us listed as attorneys on their website. There are other attorneys that do stuff like criminal law that say they know firearms law, and they may know it in a criminal capacity. But a lot of those attorneys end up calling people like me saying, oh, what happens now? And, it's, they think they know
You're
it.
the attorney to the attorneys.
Yeah, there is a statute, a firearms statute that most people are not aware of until it comes up. And that's when they have questions.